I think about relevant education, I think about my own experience as a wildlife biologist. I've been doing research for the last 20 years and have now recently turned to teaching. And I like to bring that type of science into my own classroom. Whether it's, as director of the Marin Academy Research Collaborative or in my environmental science honors class, kids aren't just sitting in the class learning about material, but actually going out into the field and doing science. We've got kids that are working on, possibly cures to type 1 diabetes. They're looking at how they can use retroviruses to reduce the impacts. They're looking at how to create batteries out of graphene on flexible materials, so it could be used in a lot of different ways. So they're actually looking at real world examples and trying to do that themselves in a classroom setting with teachers helping facilitate. And I think that's really what's amazing about this, is that they can reach out to other instructors, they can reach out to the design lab for help.
Yeah, absolutely. I feel like when I think about, in my role, I run the design lab and design and technology programming, both with students and then in collaboration with supporting faculty. And I teach computer science, and that is one place, especially with programming, it's very project-based for students, and it's interesting because they can connect that to whether it's the wider community of programmers that exist in the world and collaborate and learn from each other, as well as really looking at how technology impacts their lives and other people working in technology, and really connecting that back to the real world. And then I run the design lab, which has a lot of different tools and ways for students to really bring their coursework and independent projects into physical projects. And so that's always exciting for me, because I think for them really to explore their work in a hands-on way brings a depth and a level of understanding of materials, and to some extent the challenge of really working with real materials and what that looks like. All of these things are influencing that, and for them to have real hands-on experience with using those tools and then designing things that could be made from those tools really just opens up a whole other opportunity. We invite you to think, question, and create here at Marin Academy. Contact us today to learn more.